So what we've seen now on the dark web, and for the first time, there's never been an investigation before, we're seeing thousands of machine identities being sold every day. These are the TLS digital certificates that make the padlock glow green in web browsers. And cyber criminals have caught on. They now know, because the browsers are treating all websites that don't have machine identities as untrusted. They can't have that when they execute their phishing attacks, their spear phishing attacks. And so they need machine identities, and the cyber criminal underground has responded. So big finding out of our research is that machine identities are now much more important than human identities. And we can see that in their value. Machine identities are being sold, TLS digital certificates are being sold on the dark web for hundreds or even over $1,000, $2,000. I mean, that dwarfs the run-of-the-mill human identity that sells for pennies, and this is the future of the attacks to come. The Global 5000, unfortunately, has not been aware of the growth in this problem. They're not aware how the hackers are out there now trying to look like them. And we hope that this research, with these new insights never seen before, brings that awareness, intelligence to the Global 5000. So the expansive ecosystem of applications, services, devices, network appliances that are using machine identities place the Global 5000 today at real risk. It creates a risk at the heart of business, though, because what is actually our business? If we're a bank, an insurer, a retailer, an airline, we're a software company. If we don't know which machine identities are ours versus our cloud providers, or maybe versus an adversary, how can we actually know that we can trust the business and that our customers can too? So this is a risk that we're really catching up with as security professionals. And when we take a look inside ecosystems in the Global 5000, what are all the applications they're using machine identities? Well, we know that front-facing applications, the ones we think about most that face our customers, of course, they're using them. We also know that the threat protection systems, the DDoS, the bot protection, the WAFs, these are also using them. Now, in the new enterprise, we go out to the cloud. Every container that's running in the cloud, every virtual instance that's running in the cloud, and then each application. How do we know what's ours versus someone else versus the bad guys? Because of machine identity. What we're finding now, this growth in machine identities, go back to 2015, there were 15,000 unknown digital certificates being found. Organizations today, just starting on machine identity protection, are finding over 50,000 digital certificates unknown on their networks today. And that is something, unfortunately, that our adversaries, hackers, know about. They know that if they want to look trusted, if they want to look like the Global 5000, they can get a digital certificate. They know we're not really keeping track of them. We don't know which ones are really good or bad. So these are the new set of risks that the Global 5000 and all of us as security professionals need to be aware of and working on with machine identity protection.